So in the question we have two gases are there, A and B. Gas A, gas B. Both have volume V and pressure P, because for both of them it's same. They are mixed at temperature T. Now if the mixture, they both are mixed. If the mixture will have the volume V and the mixture is at temperature T. We know P1 V1 plus P2 V2 is equal to P3 V3. So P1 over here is for gas A, P2 over here is for gas B, and P3 is for the mixture form. P1 is P itself into V. As everything is at constant temperature, we need not to consider temperature, plus P2 is P, V2 is V, is equal to P3 is the pressure of the mixture, P3 itself, into volume is V. So we have 2 PV is equal to P3 into V. So we need to find P3. So P3 is equal to 2 PV by V. V and V will get cancelled. So the pressure of the mixture, that is P3, is equal to 2P. So the option is 1.